Emma with Playball. We miss you guys a lot and we can't wait to come back into your schools. We hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'm excited that I get to do this video lesson with you guys. So let's get started. First, we're going to make sure that everybody has a spot to stand. So you're either going to take shapes, if you have shapes, or you can draw circles with chalk, or you can even use pieces of colored construction paper. So everybody knows where they're going to stand for their starting spot. Okay, we're going to start with a quick little warm-up. So everybody get on your shape. All right, is everybody ready? Okay, we're going to start by reaching down and tickling our toes. And then we're going to stand up and reach for the stars as high as you can. And then you're going to go back and forth like you're blowing in the wind. Okay, good job. Now, we're going to run in place on your shape. First, we're going to start off running slow. So everybody run slow. And then we're going to run fast. Fast, fast, fast. Now we're going to go slow. And fast, fast, fast. And stop. Good job, everybody. Okay, now we're going to do 10 jumping jacks all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good job, everybody. Now, everybody's going to come to a starting point, and you're all going to line up. Okay, is everybody lined up? Good job. Now, on the count of 3, you're going to run to the end of your shape line, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. And stop. And now you're going to run back. 1, 2, 3, go. And run back. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to walk backwards and we're going to pat our head at the same time, okay? And go. Pat your head, pat your head, pat your head, and stop. This time we're going to walk backwards and we're going to rub our tummies. You ready? And rub your tummies, rub your tummy, rub your tummy. Okay, good job, everybody. Now we're done with our warm-up, so we can all get back to our shapes. Okay, are we all back to our shapes? Okay, good. Now we're going to do our first skill. And for our first skill, you're going to need a bouncy ball. And you're also going to need either a line, like I'm going to use a rope, or you can use a piece of string, or if you don't have any of those things, you can use chalk, and you can just draw a line on the ground. And once you have that done, we are going to hold the ball out with our arrow arms, and on the count of 3, we're going to drop it over the line. Can you do that? Okay, and this time, when we drop the ball, you're going to try to push it down in front of you, and you're going to try to do it 3 times. So we're trying to bounce the ball 3 times in a row, right in front of you, and you want to keep it right in front of your line, and your toes right behind the line. And when you push the ball down, you're going to use your starfish hand, so your fingers spread apart and flat facing down. Okay, is everybody ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, we're going to do it a few more times. Is everybody ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, we're going to do it 2 more times. This time you can try to get it 4 times in a row if you can. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Okay, 1 more time. This time we're going to see if we can bounce it 5 times in a row. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did everybody do it? Good job. Okay, now we're going to help clean everything up. And once everything is cleaned up, you're going to go right back to your shapes so we can get ready for the next skill. Okay, is everybody ready for the next skill? Awesome. For the next skill, we are going to need a ball and we're going to need a stopper. So you can either use a tennis racket like we do in Playball, but if you don't have a tennis racket, you can just use a plate. You can use a paper plate, a plastic plate, any kind of plate. And we are going to go one at a time. And your teacher is going to roll the ball out to you when it's your turn. And you're going to run and chase it, and then you're going to stop the ball with the plate, okay? So one hand on each side of the plate, and you're gonna push down and stop the ball, okay? All right, ready? And here we go. Teacher's gonna roll the ball, and you have to run and stop the ball. Just like that. Okay, you ready? And again. Run and stop the ball with the plate. Good job. Okay, we're gonna do it a few more times. You ready? And run and stop the ball. Good job. And run and stop the ball. Good job. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. Ready? And run and chop the ball. Good job. Okay. Now, you're gonna clean all of that stuff up and get right back to your shapes. Okay, that was a fun skill, but now we're gonna do a next skill. And for this skill, you will also need your bouncy balls. And for this skill, you're going to put your shape down, and you're going to sit on your shape with your legs spread out. You're gonna use both of your hands on top of the ball, and you're going to push the ball forward to either your friend or your teacher, whoever's sitting in front of you. And you're gonna push the ball back and forth, okay? All right. Is everybody ready? Okay. And you're going to push the ball to your partner. And your partner is going to roll it back to you, okay? All right, you ready? And push the ball to your partner. And they're gonna push it back, and you're gonna trap it so it doesn't get away, okay? And push the ball to your partner. And trap the ball. Good job. And push the ball. And trap the ball. And push the ball. And trap the ball. Good job. And push the ball with both hands. And trap the ball with both hands. And you can do this several times, back and forth between you and your partner, or with you and the teacher. Good job. Okay, a few more times. And back and forth. Back and forth. Good job. One more time. Good job. Okay, now everybody get back to your shapes. Good. Okay. Is everybody on their shapes? Good. Can everybody try to balance on one foot for me? Good job. Now, can you balance on your other foot on the shape? Good job. Now, can you balance on one foot and put your hands on your head? Now, rub your tummy. Good job. Now, touch your toes and give your toes a little tickle. And touch your knees. And touch your shoulders. And touch your head. And spin around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, is everybody ready for our next skill? All right, let's get started. For this skill, you can use either bean bags, or if you don't have bean bags, you can use some little stuffed animals. It doesn't matter. You can just find little objects that you have around your house. And you're gonna put them like a foot apart from each other. And you're just gonna put them out all in a row. And you can use about 8 objects. Okay, and when it's your turn to come up, you're going to walk across each beanbag, and you're going to balance on your tiptoes on each beanbag so you don't fall off. You're going to pretend like it's a slippery bridge and the floor is lava, so you don't want to touch the floor. You want to stay on the beanbags. And you can use your arms out like an airplane so you balance and don't fall off. Okay, is everybody ready? All right, let's go. Walk across the slippery bridge and don't fall into the lava. Okay, good job, everybody. All right, we're gonna do that again, okay? And walk across the slippery bridge and don't fall into the lava. All the way across. Good job. And we're gonna give everybody a few turns. Everybody can go there, back a few times, okay? All right, ready? Across the bridge. And don't fall off. Using our airplane arms for balance. Good job. All right, we're gonna do it a few more times. Ready? Across the bridge. cross the bridge. Good job. And a few more times. Crossing the bridge, crossing the bridge, cross the bridge. Good job. And back again. We're going to give everybody a few turns with this one. Good job. Okay. Now this time, when we go through, we're not going to step on the beanbags. We're going to try to jump over each beanbag. And you're going to put your feet together and bunny hop over every beanbag, okay? All right, ready? And go. Bunny hop over each beanbag. Bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop. Good job. And keep your feet together the whole time. And we're going to go again. You ready? Hop, 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 and hop. And we're going to give each of our friends a turn to do that, okay? And hop, 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 and hop. Good job. All right. All our friends are going to do that one time through. And hop, 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 and hop. Good job, everybody. Now everybody's going to help clean up all of our toys or beanbags, whatever you decided to use. Clean up. Clean up and put it away. And then everybody's going to go back to your shape, back to your shape. Okay, is everybody on your shape? Good job. Now we're going to do our last skill before we play our game. This skill, we are going to do something called star jumps. When you do star jumps, you're going to start with your feet together and your hands right by your side, really tight. And then, when I blow my whistle, you're going to jump out and make the shape of a star. And then when I blow the whistle in again, you're going to come back together, okay? All right. Is everybody ready? Here we go. Jump out and back in. Out and back in. Out and back in. And star and back in. And star and back in. Okay, good job, everybody. We're going to do that a few more times. Is everybody ready? And go. Out and in. And out and in. And out and in. Good job. Okay. Now, we're all going to play a game. We're going to play Sporty Sporty, what's the time? So all of you are going to say, Sporty Sporty, what's the time? And Coach McKay is going to say, it's 3 o'clock. And if I say it's 3 o'clock, then you're going to take 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to freeze. And then you're going to say, Sporty Sporty, what's the time? Again. And then if I say it's 4 o'clock, then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then freeze. And if I say it's tickle time, then you have to run back to the starting line, okay? Okay. We're going to make a starting line. Right here you can use a string or you can use chalk, anything you want. Okay, is everybody ready? Sporty Sporty, what's the time? It's 1 o'clock. 1, so everybody should have taken 1 step and then frozen. Okay, you ready? Sporty Sporty, what's the time? It's 3 o'clock, so you're going to take 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Sporty Sporty, what's the time? It's 5 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Sporty Sporty, what's the time? It's 1 o'clock. So everybody should have taken 1 step. Sporty Sporty, what's the time? It's 2 o'clock. 1, 2. Sporty Sporty, what's the time? It's tickle time. Good job. Did everybody make it back safe? Good. Okay, we're gonna do that game again. Is everybody ready? Back at the finish line? Okay, let's go again. Sporty, sporty, what's the time? It's 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3. All right, did everybody take 3 steps? Good job. Okay. Sporty, sporty, what's the time? It's 5 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sporty, sporty, what's the time? It's 2 o'clock. 1, 2. Sporty, sporty, what's the time? It's 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3. Sporty, sporty, what's the time? It's tickle time. So run back to the starting line. Okay, good job, everybody. All right, we're gonna play one more time, okay? Okay, everybody say the magic words. Sporty, sporty, what's the time? It's 4 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sporty, sporty, what's the time? It's 2 o'clock. 1, 2. Sporty, sporty, what's the time? It's 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Sporty, sporty, what's the time? It's 4 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sporty, sporty, what's the time? It's 1 o'clock. 1. Sporty, sporty, what's the time? It's tickle time, so everybody run back to the starting line. Run, run, run. Okay, good job, everybody. That was our last game. So everybody get back to your shapes. Back to your shapes, back to your shapes. Okay. Is everybody back to your shapes? Good. You guys did a good job today. Now we're going to stretch out for our last thing, and then we're going to sing the Playball song, okay? Okay, so everybody reach down and tickle your toes. Tickle, tickle, tickle. And brush off your feet. Sweep off all the dirt you got on them from Playball. And now you're going to put your hands up on your head and go side to side. Hands on your knees. And hands on your head. And reach up to the stars. Grab the stars. Stretch up as high as you can so you can grab the stars. And bring the stars back down to the ground. And tickle your toes. Tickle your toes. Good job. Now you're going to stand up. And you're going to run and play slowly. Slowly. Now you're going to run fast, fast, fast. Fast, fast, fast. Good. Now slow down. Good job. Okay, everybody. You all did such a good job today, and I'm glad we got to do class. Now we are going to sing our Playball song. All right, is everybody ready? Okay, we're going to put our hands on our knees. Hands on our knees. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go play ball, play ball, play ball, rah, rah, rah. When you're in play ball, you're a star. Everybody make their star shape for me. Good job. Now can you do your upside down stars? Upside down stars. Good job. Okay, everybody did such a good job, and I will hopefully see you soon. Bye.